Bass Anglers Anonymous. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Lucky Tackle box and show you guys what kind of baits are in here and what kind of baits you can get. I believe you pay around $15 for this, so you could upgrade it to the XL Pro box for, I think it's $25, $23, somewhere around there. But I haven't been doing a whole lot of videos lately because I've been fishing a lot. If you can't see, I've got some pretty crazy raccoon eyes, and I've also been doing tournaments. I got a video coming up of of us fishing on the Delta, and we took 6 out of 26 boats, which was not too bad. So let's just do a quick unboxing here. I'm not going to really talk a bunch about the baits because I haven't fished them yet, but I will show them to you real fast here. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be fishing these baits here in a little bit, so I'm going to put out this video first just so you know what kind of baits I'm going to be using, and then hopefully catch them. So got a job this morning, and I'm going to knock out the job and then go straight over to go fishing, so we'll have a little bit more video for you guys, and go over and check out Lucky Tackle box, give them a try, and you'll not be disappointed. They give you top quality baits, and everything in the box is fishable. So you guys have fun. I'll put the link in the description down below, and stay tuned for some of my tournament fishing. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Billy back here on the pond, and the first bait I'm gonna go ahead and tie on and use is the Z-Man chatterbait, and it's in Bullfrog. I did really good in this color on the Delta this past tournament, which I'll have some footage out for you guys real soon. And it really kind of let me know, that the water there was really muddy, and it just kind of let me know that bass can see this color much brighter than much better than they can see a darker color. So I'm gonna give it a try here. It's pretty muddy here. Usually when you catch a fish here, it's usually 4 pounds and above. So I'm gonna try to stick some of the big ones. So you guys stay tuned, and we'll try to catch as many fish up, as many baits as we can. Hey, well, I was on my way back to my car, getting ready to call it quits, and I seen a fish on the shore there, and I got it. About 2 pounds probably. Got it on the Bass Munitions trailer with the Fishing Frugal lure jig, and she's a little cold too, so it's probably one of the males actually. So we got one.
Another one. Off the on the top of the head right there. Look at that. On the Fishing Frugal lure jig and Bass Munitions trailer there. Another good one.